Hey guys, we are showing you this wireless switch kit for receive for test and try. So if you have a switch that you want to make it a wireless, means you don't want the wire to control or you want to control it through the remote control, this is the way to go. So this is the remote control thing that you can put it on any side, and then these are the buttons on and off switch. So basically you connect this small kit on the side that I will show you, and in a regular light switch with the 3 wire, and then you can use this with the battery. You can just put in this battery, the batteries are supplied with it, so you can use these batteries and put it on a side. So this switch can control this power outlet remotely. So that's a good thing to do with it, and you can make any switch wireless without rewiring. So this is the adapter that you can just put it in your existing light switch where you want to make it, and then connect these wires, put this remote inside, connect it through the remote, and here you go to control it remotely from anywhere you want. So basically a nice kit transfer, or to make it from switch kit to the wireless kit without any rewiring.